wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Amelia Yuangreini, student ID 4425151 from class 441837. Today, I would like to deliver a speech for Project 1 about smoking on campus. Today, I would like to share my opinion about smoking on campus, a topic that often sparks debate between individual freedom and social responsibility. Ladies and gentlemen, we all know that smoking is a personal choice. Everyone has the right to decide what they do with their own body. However, when that choice affects other people, it is no longer just a personal matter. This is where the problem of smoking on campus arises. University is supposed to be a place of learning, a place to shape intelligent and healthy future generation, not a place filled with cigarette smokes. We also know that passive smokers face serious health risks, sometimes even greater than active smokers themselves. So, when someone smokes in public areas like hallways, gardens, or near classroom, they are actually forcing others to inhale the same toxins. Beyond health, the image of the campus is also at stake. Imagine visitor or new student coming to our campus and seeing people smoking everywhere. Will that reflect a disciplined, health-conscious academic environment? Certainly not. A campus should set an example for healthy living. I apologize for any shortcomings. That is all. Thank you. Hello everyone. This the part two. I want to presentation about simple present tense. For the first, what are question words? Question words are words we use to ask for specific information. Next, the list of question words. Main question words is what, who, where, when, why, which, was, and how, and its variation. Next is what. What to ask about things or information. Example like what is your favorite food? What are you doing? The next is who. May need to ask about people. Example like who is your teacher? Who called you? The next is where. Where to ask about a place or location. Example like where do you live and where is the library? And the next is when. When to ask about time. Example like when is your birthday and when do you go to school? And then next is why. Why to ask about a reason. Example like why are you sad or why did you come late? And the next is which meaning to ask about choice. Example like which color do you like or which one is yours? And the next is whose, meaning to ask about ownership. Example like whose book is this or whose car is parked outside? And the next is how. How meaning to ask about the way or manner something happens. An example like how are you and how do you study English? And the next is how many or how much. How many is countable nouns and how much is uncountable nouns. Example like how many apples do you have, or how much money do you need. And the next is how old. How old to ask about age. Example like how old are you and how old is your brother. And the next is how far or how long. How far is distance and how long is this duration. And the example like how far is your school and how long is the movie. And the next stancy patterns. Structure is question word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus verb. Example like what do you eat and where is this going. The next is example in conversation. A. Where are you from? B. I'm from Indonesia. A. What do you like English? B. Because it's fun. And the next is common mistakes. The example like the wrong stance is what do you doing? The correct stance is what are you doing? The wrong stance is where she's live, and the correct stance is where does she live. The next, the difference between what and which. Difference between what and which. Explanation like what is used when the options are unlimited. Example like what color do you like? Any color in the world. And which is used when the options are limit or closed. And example like which color do you like, red or blue? Did you know all question words in English start with WH except how? That's why they are also called WH in questions. Okay, that's it from me. Thanks for listening and see ya. Bye bye.